In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote Aliexpress affiliate products. By the end, you'll know how to join the affiliate program, pick winning products, create tracking links, and share them effectively on Facebook without coming off as spammy. First, head to the Aliexpress portal's affiliate program and sign in with your Aliexpress account. Apply to become an affiliate and wait for approval. This is usually quick, but make sure your profile is complete and accurate to keep things smooth. Once you're approved, you'll unlock the tools you need to generate affiliate links. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and guidelines so you understand how commissions, tracking, and payouts work. Next, choose the right products. This is where results are made or lost. Focus on items with a low price point that are easy to impulse buy because people make quick decisions on inexpensive, useful products. Look for trending or problem-solving items, things that genuinely make life easier. Target listings with strong reviews, ideally 4.5 stars or higher, and plenty of orders. That volume signals trust. Also prioritize products with solid photos and videos available because you'll need those visuals for your posts as you evaluate listings, check seller ratings, delivery options, and customer photos to confirm quality and reduce refunds. Some of the best performing niches include phone accessories, beauty and skincare tools, home and kitchen gadgets, pet products, and fitness accessories. These categories have constant demand and lots of fresh products. Avoid fake or counterfeit branded items. They can get your links taken down and hurt your credibility. Now generate your affiliate link. Copy the product's URL from Aliexpress, paste it into the affiliate link generator inside your affiliate dashboard, and get your tracking link. Save it right away. This special link is how your clicks and commissions are tracked. Label your links clearly and consider keeping a simple spreadsheet so you know which post or group each link goes with. If you use a link shortener, make sure it doesn't break tracking and follow disclosure rules in your region. Finally, promote on Facebook, which is where many beginners start. Share in relevant buy and sell groups and niche communities. Post to your Facebook page, and on Marketplace, you can provide the link in messages. Keep your copy short, helpful, and benefits first. For example, this mini blender is perfect for busy mornings. Super affordable with fast shipping. Check it here. Don't spam. Participate in group discussions, follow each group's rules, and add value with quick tips or short reviews. Engage with comments promptly to boost reach and trust.